What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karen. If you're new here, you are so welcome. So in today's video we are going to do a very much needed activity. I don't know what to call it, but we are going to be washing my hair today, and I am not gonna be all up in the shower, anything like that. I'm gonna be right here in front of you guys, showing you guys a new method. It's not really new, but it's my first time trying this out, and I'm gonna be using bentonite clay. I can't wait to try it out because I've heard so many good things about this product. So I hear it's not only good for your skin, but it's also good for your hair as well. So I'm gonna be trying them out. I'm gonna try both for my skin and my hair today, so stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So alright, let's get into it. So to start, I am going to get the bentonite clay. I'm going to get a plastic bowl. So it's important that you use a plastic bowl because if you use something metal, the clay might react, something like that. So I've been told only use plastic or ceramic utensils. So I'm going to be using a plastic bowl. I am going to use a plastic fork because I don't have a plastic spoon around, and apple cider vinegar and plain water just to wet my hair. So I have been told that this works really well for detoxifying the hair. I heard a YouTuber use the word reboot. It's like a way to restart your hair. It's going to, it's just going to get all those toxins or the buildup out of your hair, and your hair is going to be fresh. It's going to be clean. It's a really much needed thing for my hair because in as much as I wash my hair often, I don't think it gets as clean as I want it to get. So I hope this works out. So I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna measure this. I am just gonna go ahead and just keep going until my gut tells me to stop. Okay, I think this should be enough for my hair. And now I'm just gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Also not measuring. So what we want is a kind of like a yogurt consistency, thick but not too thick and not too watery either, just to make it easy to apply. And I'm just mixing that up. Okay. So yeah guys, I've heard that this really makes your curls pop, so I can't wait to see my curls pop. I hope it works. I'm so excited, you guys. Just gonna keep mixing. Keep on mixing. Mix this all up and mix it. I'm probably gonna cut this out anyway. So don't mind me. Don't mind me. Alright. So our mixture is ready, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a very messy process. That's why I am dressed like this. So I'm gonna grab my water bottle, and I'm just gonna wet my hair. All right, so now moment of truth. So I'm gonna just work with this section first, and then we're gonna come to the front. I wonder who comes up with these things, like who just thinks of putting mud in their hair. So apparently, bentonite acts more like a magnet, and it's like a negative charge, and what it does is it draws the positive charges, which is like all the dirt and build up on your hair or scalp or skin, and it just kind of like pulls it, and when you wash out your hair or your skin, it washes all that dirt away with it. So it's pretty interesting. I remember my cousin, shout out to Renzu, she told me about this, but I never really got the chance to do it. So thanks, Renzu, for letting me know about this, and I'm finally trying it out. I hope you're watching. She usually watches my videos, guys, so yay! Shout out to you, Renzu, again. Okay, so the clay also reduces frizz, so I guess that's why your curls get so defined, because kind of gets rid of all that frizz that's all up there. I feel like I'm putting too much on one section and I might run out, so I'm just gonna stop. But this is what my hair looks like right now. And I'm making sure that I get it all the way to my scalp so that it can also clean up my scalp. So my scalp is dirty. It's dirty. Okay. Do not neglect your edges, guys. They also need the cleanup. So I'm just gonna do that. Then we're just gonna work that onto every single strand. Then we're gonna give some to the ends. Gotta love our ends, guys. If we want to see growth, we have to take care of our ends, because our hair might be growing, but if we're not taking care of our ends, we won't see it. Just showing you guys that I'm getting it all everywhere, just like everywhere, making sure there are no spots that are left out. So look at the difference. A little closer, just so you guys can see what the curls are looking like, and I haven't even kept this in my hair for that long. It's only been minutes, and check out the difference. Oh, let me show you guys the back as well. So okay, so let me just tell you guys a little sad story. I actually did my hair like a week ago, like a week, 2 weeks ago. I did my hair and my skin reacted to whatever chemical was in that wig, and I had a horrible breakout. So if you guys can see on my chest, I have like this horrible breakout. I have it on my neck, like it was a bob, so like the hair was like falling like that, and everywhere it touched I just have like this horrible breakout. So I'm kind of low-key hoping that this clay kind of gets rid of that, because I've been struggling to get rid of it. Though what's been working for my face is the turmeric and yogurt, natural yogurt mask, and that has really helped me quite a lot. So if you are going through like a skin phase, try that out. Like the turmeric and yogurt has done wonders for me. So just give it a try, you know, just try it out. Ooh, my eyes are like getting all watery, and that's because of how strong the apple cider scent is. It's very, very strong, so don't mind if I cry. Please don't mind that, but it doesn't hurt if that's what's going on, what's going through your mind. No, it does not hurt. It's just like a tingle. It's kind of like when you're cutting onion and the onion gets in your eyes. Yeah, that's what this feels like. So I'm just gonna go right into that area that I want the little breakout to kind of like go. I'm just gonna bring that all the way down. All the way to my chest. So this is where I'll be ending the video for now. Like, I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like after I've washed out the clay. And caution guys, make sure you wash this out thoroughly. Like, make sure you have plenty of water, and you don't need shampoo, because it's like a shampoo already. Yeah, it does what a shampoo would do to your hair, so but better. So yeah, you don't need a shampoo, but what you are gonna need is to make sure that you like really, really, really get this out of your hair, or else you're gonna be walking around with some clay left over. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and make sure that I'm gonna keep this in for like 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'm gonna take a bath. Then I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like after. I hope this helps somebody out there, and I hope it works for me. But I'm gonna be back to tell you guys what I think of the clay, and whether or not I'll be doing this again to my skin and my hair. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and these are the results. I'm impressed. My hair does feel soft. It feels soft. My scalp feels so clean. Like, I can feel the air just passing through, and my skin definitely feels clean. When you put the clay on your skin, you can actually like, you can feel it working. So that was a little strange, but yeah, I was warned about that though. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm definitely gonna be doing this more often, maybe once a month, once every 2 months. I'm definitely gonna be using the bentonite clay to clarify my hair. So definitely putting it in my hair regimen. And for now, I'm about to deep condition my hair, but if you want to check that video out, you will have to subscribe to my channel and wait for the following week. I upload videos or at least I try to upload every Tuesdays. So yeah, my next video will be how I'm going to deep condition my hair, and then the next video after that will be a protective style that I'll be putting into my hair. So if you want to see those videos, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I upload. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, share, and comment if you have something to say. Even when you don't have anything to say, just comment, because I love to read your comments. Bye guys.